Hi, Darin Martineau with Master Magic Shop. In this video, I'm going to talk about the Svengali deck and why you need to get that, whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or advanced magician. First of all, Shin performed that on the Ellen show. You can go and see that. But I want to tell, I'm going to tell you the reason why and the reasons why in this video through a story. Okay, and this was in Las Vegas many years ago, and I heard the story from Denny Lee. And Denny Lee uh, was a really great magician, full-time professional magician that had the magic shop at that time. So, anyways, he said there was Lee Asher and Aaron Fisher, which are two of the best up-and-coming magicians at that time. And I'm friends with Lee Asher. I know him from the Gary Darwin's Magic Club, which is now run by my mentor, by Allan Ackerman in Las Vegas. So, if you're ever in Las Vegas, go over to check out the Gary Darwin's Magic Club, and I'll make another video. I've made other videos about that, but this video back to the Svengali deck. So this is told with a story. And Lee Asher and Aaron Fisher were in there in the magic shop, and Denny Lee told me this story. He said, "Okay, you do your best thing, and I'm going to do the Svengali deck." And he did. And guess what? The customer was more impressed with the Svengali deck. And this is because here's why. You could do the greatest thing. I do all kinds of magic, hardcore sleight of hand, stuff you work on for years. If you don't work on the presentation, or even if you do, it's all about the presentation. That's why you need presentational based pieces. And that's what this Svengali deck will force you to do. Because if you can't entertain, then you can't even entertain with the Svengali deck. So the point being, this is Aaron Fisher, and he's doing some hardcore sleight of hand, and then Denny and Lee does his Svengali pitch. I love the Svengali deck. Why? I'll tell you why. Okay, first of all, there's no skill required. You don't have to do any skill. It's easy to do. Third, it focuses on the presentation. Next reason why is because you could take any classic card trick, just about, like card to any number, any stop trick, any kind of spelling trick, and you can duplicate that effect with the Svengali deck. Eric Stevens has some really nice modern work on the Svengali deck as well that you'd want to check out. I'm working on a new project. I'm taking all the best Svengali deck tricks from all the best books and putting it into a book and video package. So click on the link to get the Svengali deck and be watching for my new product coming out soon. And thank you very much.